Hello there. We are the Mala Tree, your guide to harmony and abundance. As August 2025 begins, the cosmos hums with radiant energy, bringing powerful shifts to all 12 zodiac signs. Whether you're uncovering new opportunities, seeking clarity, or finding balance, this month's horoscope is crafted just for you. Unlock the guidance you need to thrive this month. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. A turning point looms for Aries this August, as truths unravel, passions intensify, and opportunities arise at every corner. Prepare for a month of surprises. Your resilience and readiness for change will unlock paths to growth and fulfillment. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August invites Taurus to indulge in self-reflection, romance, and the pursuit of well-being, with stunning moments of joy and recognition. Both intuition and ambition serve as your guides this month, leading you down the golden path of opportunity. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August is a whirlwind of opportunities and surprises for Gemini, blending romance, creativity, and reflection. With emotions running high and passions at their peak, it's a month to prioritize balance, staying open to the unexpected joys that pave the way. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August invites Cancer to experience calm, connection, and renewal before the tempo of life quickens. With quiet strength and focused energy, you can master your finances, nurture your heart, and prepare for exciting adventures ahead. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August shines a radiant light on Leo, blending moments of daring ambition, emotional depth, and refreshing adventures. This is your time to conquer challenges, build connections, and make bold moves that set the stage for even greater triumphs ahead. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August 2025 greets Virgo with golden opportunities in finance and career, while also emphasizing restorative self-care and meaningful relationship growth. With the right mix of ambition and balance, this month sets the stage for impactful transformations and joyful achievements. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. The scales of harmony tilt in Libra's favor this August, balancing moments of adventure, introspection, and growth. With emotional clarity and heightened vitality, you're poised for meaningful connections and achievements that carve lasting impressions. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August guides Scorpio into a harmonious blend of rest, connection, and quiet confidence, providing the space to recharge while savoring small joys and strategic wins. With emotional clarity and a calm temperament, you'll discover fulfillment and inspiration for the exciting changes ahead. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August invites Sagittarius to break free from routine and aim for excellence in every aspect of life. With refreshed perspectives, meaningful connections, and thrilling opportunities on the horizon, bold changes are within your grasp this month. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August brings Capricorn a mix of challenges and breakthroughs, from cautious beginnings to victories in love, finance, and career. With grounded ambition and open-hearted connections, you're ready to create new foundations that shape your inspiring path forward. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August beckons Aquarius to harmonize responsibilities with personal growth, offering clarity in relationships, financial wisdom, and professional ventures. With Venus amplifying romance and unique adventures calling your name, this month holds the promise of inspiration and fulfillment. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com. August shines brightly for Pisces, blending financial gains, romance, and career breakthroughs with moments of personal rest. With the stars aligning for new opportunities and healing connections, this month is a canvas for turning dreams into reality. Read your detailed horoscope at www.themalatree.com.